First off, gather 4 egg whites, 2 tablespoons of milk. This could be any type you prefer, skim, almond, or coconut. You'll also need some salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, a cup of fresh spinach leaves, half a cup of cherry tomatoes, a quarter cup of feta cheese, and some fresh herbs for garnish. Begin by beating the egg whites, milk, salt, and pepper together in a medium bowl until frothy. This simple step ensures your omelet turns out fluffy and light. Next, heat the olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Toss in the spinach and cherry tomatoes, sautéing them for about 2 to 3 minutes until the spinach wilts and the tomatoes soften just slightly. Now, pour the egg white mixture over the sautéed vegetables, tilting the pan to ensure an even spread. Allow it to cook undisturbed for about 1 minute until the edges begin to set. Time for some cheese. Sprinkle the crumbled feta cheese over half of the omelet. Feel free to skip this step or use a reduced fat version to keep the calorie count lower. Once the top of the omelet is almost set but still slightly runny, carefully fold it in half with a spatula, covering the cheese. Let it cook for another minute or 2 until fully set. Slide the omelet onto a plate and garnish with fresh herbs if desired. Serve your spinach and egg white omelet hot, ideally with a side of mixed greens or fresh fruit for a balanced meal. Don't forget to share your experience making this recipe in the comments below. And if you enjoy these kinds of videos, please give a thumbs up, share, and hit that subscribe button. Let's help this channel reach 1,000 subscribers. Till next time, keep cooking with love.